How to change Amazon country settings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the Amazon country settings, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to change the Amazon country settings, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all basically make sure to launch the Amazon app here. Now previously we used to actually find the option beside this three lines option, and if we went to settings we would find country and language, but now that option is not there anymore. So in order to change our country settings, we have to come to this little profile icon here, and right here at the top of the screen you'll find the little flag icon along with the language. So you just have to tap this little flag icon here, and as you do that, now you can see country or region. So if you want to change it to some other country like India or anything, you can select that, tap on done, and your Amazon country settings will get successfully changed. This way you'll be able to basically change the country settings on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.